Ang kapamilya actress na si Kim Chiu ay nagpasalamat sa kanyang katangian na si Secretary Kim sa Philippine adaptasyon ng hits romantikong serye na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, na pinagtatambalan nila ng aktor na si Paulo Avellino. Ang Filipino na bersyon ng hitsong serye ng South Korea ay nag-release ng huling episode sa Liu sa kanyang post sa Instagram noong ika-4 na gabi. Hinihikayat ni Chiu kung paanong tinanggap niya ang mga takot at katanungan upang maglaro ng papel ng sekretary. Kim, signing off. Thank you #WWW+KBH episode 4 na po paghahati 4 na po. It's been days since we finished, but I still can't believe we are now on our last episode. As I close another character I played, I always learn something or have this takeaway trait that I will keep inside my pocket as I turn back to that particular role. There were so many doubts, confusion, fear, and unsure thoughts, but all I did was trust the process. Surprisingly, everything went smoothly, and the boat